Once you are logged in our application, if you want to use the Books Translator, you will click here, and it will take you to the Books Translator application. And in this case, what I am going to do is basically translate a document from English to Spanish. This is the the item. Actually, if you see the document, the original file, it's going to be in English. This is a book I wrote. It's actually the first chapter of a book I wrote, and you see it's everything in English. You can get this book from Amazon. It's you can just look for my name, and I will set the description in the. I will put a description to this in the YouTube videos description. Uh, so now if we go back to the application, you will see that I could copy the URL. And if I hit translate, I should get the, well, it is going to translate the file, and then it is going to give me the results. The translation results are going to be sent to your email. And in this case, we are also allowing you to download the file after it has been translated. It's going to take a little bit because it has to split the content in some bits to be able to translate it. And after it finishes, we will get the results. So let's give it a couple of more seconds, and we should be ready to continue downloading the items. Okay, so you see that it actually finished already. And now if I hit download file, you see that I get this, your files 7, because it's the 7th time I actually download this file. Now if I click this one, you will see that this is in Spanish, this is in Spanish, this is in Spanish. The table of contents, we are not translating it, since the table of contents are usually generated based on the actual content, and we are not modifying that thing. So you can just click and update the table. You will see that this is in Spanish, this is in Spanish, all of this is in Spanish. All of this is in Spanish now, and all of this is in Spanish. So what the book translator actually does is generate a first pass translation of your documents. So it will not do a perfect translation. It will just do like a first pass translation, so you can go later and verify the translation and fix it a little bit. But it allows you to speed up a little bit your process. Soon we will also allow you to translate text, just text, long pieces of text, and that will actually be plain text. That will actually be a little bit more accurate in the translations, since it doesn't have to split a lot of the links based on the OpenXML format for the docx files. Yeah. So this is the way you can use the Books Translator, and let us know if you have used it, things that you would like to have in the applications, and have a great day. Thank you.